Hello students, welcome to another chapter. Our today's chapter is 11 trains. It is objective question paper that is very important for your exam. So let's start on by on. At first, read the below lines carefully and tick the answer of the following questions. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mails, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Now let's do our question answer. Where do the trains not run? Student, we know that over the mountains, over the plains and over the rivers train can run, but trains not run over the road. So option D is correct answer. Then what the trains are not carrying? Passengers, mail, water and precious loads. We know that train are carrying passenger, mail and precious load also. Not carrying is water. So option C is correct answer. Student, at first write the question and option also. Then write the correct answer because it is very important for your exam. Question 3. Which is the rhyming word of locking from the above passage? Student, here is written passage. You need to be careful when exam because if it is written passage, you need to write the answer according to passage. So if it is not written passage, answer will be option A, locking. But it is written passage, so A is not answer. It is carrying or bringing will be answer. Okay. Then question 4, about whom we are talking in the passage. We are talking in this passage about train. So option D is correct answer, train. Question 5, what will be the plural of passenger? The answer will be passengers. Yes, we need to add S. So option B is correct answer. Then question 6, find out the opposite of below. We know that the opposite of below means over. Okay. Then what will be the question number? Okay students, sorry, here is not written 7. Here is written 8. Find out the word formed by with plus out. It will be made without. So option C is correct answer. Then question 9. What will be the plural of mail? It is mails. We need to add S after mail. So option B is correct answer. Then question 10. Tick the correct sentence. Come the trains here. Here comes the train. Yes. Option B is correct answer according to our poem. Then question 11. Find out the opposite of go. The opposite of go is come. We know that option C is correct answer. Then tick the correct answer to fill in the blanks. Give me some dash to food or eat. It is option C is correct answer. Give me some food to eat. Okay. Then question 12. Play with me. Option C is correct answer because play is they, she, he. It is not correct. Then swim across the river, the boat, the rain and the ship. Swim across the river. Option A is correct answer. Then question number 14. Let's sail in the train, bus, stone or boat. Option D is correct answer because sail is related to boat. Then 15 number question. Tick the odd on out. Odd means different from another. Bus, train, aeroplane, road. Student, bus, train, aeroplane. This three option. This is 3 is transport, but road is road. So it is option D is odd out. It is correct answer. Then question 16. The plural of plane is planes. We need to add only S. So option D is correct answer, planes. Then tick the odd and out. Car, bus, truck and boat. Student, car, bus and truck, it is run on road, but this run on river. So option D is correct answer. Option D, boat. Then question 18. Tick the odd and out. Aeroplane, rocket, bus and helicopter. Student, aeroplane, rocket, bus, helicopter. Aeroplane, rocket and helicopter is same type, but bus is different. So it is our correct answer. It is difference from another. Then what will be question 19 and 20? Take the odd and out steamer, train, boat, ship. Student, boat, ship and steamer run on water, but train is different. So it is our correct answer, option B. Choose the correct sentence. I too went to railway station. I went to the railway station. I railway station to the went. Railway station I went to the. Correct sentence, I went to the railway station. Okay students, this 20 question from this chapter, I hope it is helpful for your study. So we will meet our next class. Thank you all of you.